Did you know that the human body contains enough DNA to stretch from the sun to Pluto and back 17 times? Let that sink in for a moment. Yes, your body, my body, every human body holds this incredible universe within. A universe so intricate and vast that it can be difficult to fully comprehend, but that's what we're here for today. Imagine, if you will, a bustling city at peak hour. Cars zoom by, pedestrians rush on sidewalks, lights flash and sounds echo. Now think of that city not as an isolated entity, but as a vital part of a larger country. Each city connected through a network of highways, railroads, air routes, and sea lanes. That's essentially what's happening in your body right now. Your body is composed of numerous systems, each with its own role to play, but all working together in perfect harmony to keep you alive and well. It's like a symphony orchestra where every instrument has a part to play, but when they all come together, they create something truly extraordinary. There's the nervous system, our body's electrical wiring transmitting signals between different parts of the body. It's our personal superhighway, connecting everything from our fingers to our toes. Then there's the circulatory system, our body's delivery service, transporting nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to every cell in our body. Don't forget about the digestive system, our body's personal chef and janitor, breaking down food for energy and cleaning up the leftovers. And then there's the skeletal system, our body's framework, providing support and protection for all our vital organs. These are just a few of the major systems, and we haven't even touched on the muscular system, the respiratory system, or the endocrine system yet, each with their unique roles, intricately interconnected and working in unison to make you, you. So, as you can see, the human body is a marvel of nature, a universe within each of us, a network of systems and processes that are as complex as they are fascinating. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey through the human body. Imagine a supercomputer that never sleeps. That's your brain. Now let's delve into the remarkable capabilities of this incredible organ. The brain, a 3-pound mass of jelly-like tissue, is the control center of your body. It's responsible for everything, from the blink of an eye to the rhythm of your heartbeat. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating the actions and reactions that allow us to interact with the world around us. Consider this. Each time you move your arm, your brain is sending a flurry of commands to your muscles, like a maestro directing a symphony. But it's not just about movement. The brain also controls our senses, allowing us to see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. It's the bridge between us and the world, translating raw data into meaningful experiences. Now let's talk about memory. Your brain is like the world's most sophisticated filing system, storing everything from your first childhood memory to what you had for breakfast this morning, and it does this while continually making room for new information. It's like a librarian that never rests, tirelessly cataloging and retrieving information from the vast archives of your life. But the brain isn't just a control center or a storage system. It's also the seat of consciousness, the source of our thoughts, emotions, and creativity. Every idea, every dream, every spark of inspiration, they all originate in the brain. It's an artist and a scientist, a philosopher and a poet, all rolled into one. Despite its complexity, the brain is incredibly efficient, using just about the same amount of energy as a small light bulb. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a marvel of biological engineering that we're only beginning to understand. In short, the brain is your body's CEO, making crucial decisions every millisecond. It's a supercomputer, a maestro, a librarian, an artist, and a scientist, all working tirelessly to make you, you. And that's something truly extraordinary to ponder. Oh, your heart is a tireless worker, beating approximately 100,000 times a day. Now that's a figure that's staggering to comprehend, isn't it? But this tireless worker is doing so much more than just beating. It's pumping life through your veins, quite literally. Imagine a vast network of roads, highways, and tiny lanes. Now imagine a central station that sends out vehicles loaded with essential goods to every nook and corner of this network. That, in essence, is what your heart does. It's the grand central station of your body, pumping blood, the life-giving liquid, to every cell of your body. This incredible organ, about the size of your clenched fist, sits snugly in your chest, tirelessly working to keep you alive and well. With every beat, it sends out blood loaded with oxygen and nutrients, the vital supplies that every cell in your body needs to function. And it's not a one-way street. The heart also receives blood depleted of oxygen and filled with carbon dioxide from the body, sending it to the lungs for a quick refresh before the cycle begins again. But how does it do all this? Well, your heart is a muscular organ divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2, called atria, receive blood from the body and lungs. The lower 2, known as ventricles, pump it out. A system of valves ensures the blood flows in the right direction from atria to ventricles, then out to the body and lungs. And all this happens seamlessly, beat after beat, day after day, without you even being aware of it. So the next time you're taking a moment of quiet, try listening to your heartbeat. Feel the rhythm, the steady thump-thump that echoes the tireless work your heart does. It's a melody of life, a testament to the incredible design and function of the human body. Your heart, the ever-beating drum, keeps the rhythm of life going, and it doesn't ask for much in return, just a bit of care, a dose of exercise, and a healthy diet to keep it going strong. Remember, a happy heart is a happy you. Did you know that if you spread out the surface area of both lungs, it would be roughly the size of a tennis court? Quite a surprising fact, isn't it? A marvel of nature's engineering. The lungs are the unsung heroes of our bodies, going largely unnoticed unless something goes wrong. Every moment, your lungs are hard at work, pulling in oxygen from the air you breathe and pushing out carbon dioxide, a waste product of your body's metabolism. This process, known as respiration, is a constant, silent and vital dance that keeps us alive and thriving. Think of your lungs as a bustling oxygen exchange center. Oxygen is the currency and carbon dioxide is the waste we're eager to get rid of. Every time you inhale, oxygen-rich air flows into your lungs, reaching millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are where the magic happens. Each alveolus is surrounded by an intricate network of tiny blood vessels or capillaries. Oxygen in the alveoli diffuses across a thin barrier and enters the blood in the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product carried by the blood, diffuses from the capillaries into the alveoli, ready to be exhaled out. Now, you might wonder, how can our lungs accommodate such a massive exchange of gases? The secret lies in their extraordinary surface area. Imagine folding out your lungs. You'd end up with a sheet the size of a tennis court. This vast surface area allows for efficient gas exchange, ensuring every cell in your body gets the oxygen it needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide it doesn't. And let's not forget, your lungs are self-cleaning too. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia line the airways, moving in coordinated waves to sweep out mucus and debris. So not only are your lungs the ultimate gas exchange center, they're also your body's air filters. In the grand scheme of your body's functioning, the lungs play a pivotal role. They are the silent workers, the diligent doers, the tireless toilers. Your lungs, the unsung heroes, keep you breathing and keep you alive. Think of the strongest machine. Now think again, your muscles are much stronger. Our muscles, these incredible powerhouses, are what make every movement possible. From the smallest twitch of an eyelid to the grandest leap into the air, it's all thanks to our muscles. Imagine the human body as a puppet. The skeleton provides the structure, but without muscles, it's just a heap of bones. It's the muscles that pull the strings, giving life and motion to our bodies. They help us walk, talk, eat, express emotions, and perform countless other actions every day. But their role extends beyond just movement. Muscles also provide support to our bodies. They act like a corset, holding everything in place. They wrap around our organs, protect our bones, and give shape to our bodies. They work tirelessly, contracting and relaxing to keep us upright and moving smoothly. Now let's heat things up a bit. Did you know that muscles are also your body's personal space heater? When they contract, muscles produce heat, helping to maintain your body's temperature. This is why you shiver when you're cold. Your muscles are rapidly contracting to generate heat and warm you up. Perhaps the most astonishing fact is the sheer number of muscles we have. The human body has over 600 muscles, each with a specific function, each working in harmony with the others. Some are voluntary, meaning we can control them, like those in our arms and legs. Others are involuntary, working without our conscious control, like the ones in our heart and digestive system. From the massive muscles in our legs that propel us forward to the tiny muscles that control the movement of our eyes, each one is a testament to the breathtaking complexity and functionality of the human body. So next time you flex your biceps or wiggle your toes, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable strength and versatility of your muscles. From blinking an eye to running a marathon, Your muscles make it all possible.